Well, this is something very special. It's July 20th, 2026. Welcome to the cat house. Yeah. The black kitty you see is that mommy's kitty. Yep. And the other one is inside here somewhere. You can see it in there. And then there's another tiger one. He's hiding around here somewhere. Those two little babies right there are the only two little babies that we have from her mother. That's baby cakes, her mother, Momma Cakes. She had them on top of this salt house right there. And it was a real big mess this morning. So I took that, I put the babies inside of one of these houses here that I have made for them. Hopefully, I was hoping Momma Cake would go on in there and take care of them, but she did not. I took the salt house downstairs and washed it, and evidently she did not like that, so she took off. Yep, Momma Cakes took off. So I gave them some warm sugar water earlier, and just try to keep them pepped up so they wouldn't, go down, wouldn't get too cold. And I've been working with baby cakes here, and every time she'd hear them crying, she would come to them. And finally we got them to take. I had to work with them, but I finally got them to take. And as you can see, they are really enjoying it. Hey, come on, little buddy. Leave them alone. So, we are happy. It's okay, baby cakes. We are very happy. Yep. She's a good mommy. She's double special. Yeah, she's double special. Yeah. Definitely one special cat. Yeah. Hey, what you doing, little buddy? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? Hi. How you doing? What are we gonna call you, huh? We gotta give you a name. What are we gonna call you? Yeah, you're such a good little fella. Don't know if it's a boy or girl yet. Yeah. Oop. Okay. Yeah. Okay, baby cakes. Now, don't you forget now. These guys need you. Okay? They need you, baby. All right? You come back and feed them some more, okay? Okay. All right, I'm gonna put them back over here. Yeah. Where do you want me to put them, baby? All right. We gotta get up off this wood floor. Yeah, unfortunately, yesterday I had taken the last wooden box and broke it down and threw it in the garbage. And didn't have no idea that Momma Cakes was ready to give birth. No idea at all. But I'm going to put them over here in this house. I'm hoping that baby Cakes will take care of them. No, what do you say? Don't play with them. They're not toys. Okay? These guys ain't toys. They're not toys. Come on. Come on, babies. Oh, I know. I know, yeah. Yeah. All right. All right, guys.